Unit 11 Valley of Flowers. Let's read pre-task A. Read this information. Here is difference between sanctuary and national park. Let's we read these two passages. First, sanctuary. Sanctuary means abhyaranya. A wildlife sanctuary is a protected area where limited human activity is allowed. The ownership of this type of protected area can be in the hands of either a government or in any private organization, provided the regulation are governed by the government. Inside a wildlife sanctuary, the hunting of animals is completely prohibited. Additionally, the trees cannot be cut down for any purpose. Rights of land can be of people. People can graze their animals in a sanctuary. A sanctuary can be upgraded to a national park. Second, national park, જેને કહીએ આપણે રાષ્ટ્રીય ઉદ્યાન. A national park has a defined boundaries through which no person can get into the park without permission. Only permitted persons can enter a national park. The visitors can observe the park by a vehicle which routes through defined trails, and they cannot get out of the vehicle for any reason. Right of land don't belong to people. People cannot graze their animals in a national park. A national park cannot be degraded to a sanctuary. Next, B. Fill in the missing information about sanctuary or national park, name, location, and how to reach from Ahmedabad total kilometers. Fill this bracket on page number 109. Page number 110. Read this poem. Pre-task part C. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high o'er vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, floating and dancing in the breeze, continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way. The stretched in never-ending line along the margin of bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their head in sprightly dance. The waves beside them dance, but they outdid the sparkling wave in glee. A poet could not but be gay in such a jocund company. I gaze and gaze, but little thought what wealth the show to me had brought. For oft, when on my couch I lie in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude, and then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. Unit 11 Valley of Flowers. Let's read the unit. Page number 111. Imagine yourself standing at the height of 40,000 feet in the West Himalayan range. All around you and as far as your eyes can see, there are flowers and flowers. Imrain mountains, green meadows, white clouds, and colorful patches of the flower create a dream-like panoramic view. What place is this? Can you guess? Next paragraph. It is a vibrant and splendid national park hidden in Himalayas. This alluring place is known as the Valley of Flowers, a vast area of 87.5 square kilometers and a huge variety of alpine flowers make this place colorful for nature lovers, botanists and photographers. Next paragraph. The Valley of Flower is located near Gadharia town in Chamboli district of Uttarakhand. It is about 300 km north of Rishikesh near Badrinath. There is a motorable road up to Govind Ghat, and from there the trek of this valley starts. This place was little known. Next paragraph. This place was little known to the outside world due to its remote location. In 1931, it was discovered accidentally by three British mountaineers. They lost their way while returning from a successful expedition. They come down to this beautiful valley, searching for a way out from the mountains in Himalayan range. Stunned by variety and colors of the flowers, they name it as the Valley of Flowers. Thereafter, renowned mountaineers, trekkers, and botanists start pouring in. Writers and poets have written essays, travelogues, and poems on the enchanting beauty of this place. The valley was declared as a national park in 1982, and in 1988 it was included in the World Heritage Sites. Interestingly, there is a reference about this place in the Ramayana. In the battle between Ram and Ravan, Lakshman was struck with an arrow shot by Meghnad, the son of Ravan. Lakshman became unconscious. Ram called Sushen Saved of Ravan. They, page number next 112. They prescribed Sanjeevani, a miraculous medicinal plant found only on the Himalayas, far away from Sri Lanka in the north part of Bharatvarsha. Hanuman flew to the place and brought the Sanjeevani along with the hill. That place was the Valley of Flowers. Many Indian yogis have come here and sat for a long years in meditation. Such legends are associated with this wonderful place. Next paragraph. Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Park is the official name of this site. It is designated as a center of plant diversity. The Forest Research Institute in 1992 recorded 600 species of angiosperms magnolia, a flower plant, and 30 pteridophytes unrolling fern in valleys surrounding. The botanists discovered 58 new plants. Many of these species are globally threatened. In 1988, 31 species of rare and endangered categories were identified in this park. Local village people are found to use 45 medicinal plants. Brahmakamal is the most famous flower for the medical use and as a religious offering to the goddesses Nanda Devi and Sunanda Devi. The dominant family in the Valley of Flowers is Asteraceae, a family of sunflowers with 62 species. Other beautiful flowers are Vajradanti ajwayan, blue poppies, Confulia, Salampanja, Vanfsa, Balsam, Bariti, Haldi Fool, etc. The next paragraph. The park is rich in fauna. A total of 30 species in mammals are recorded and all of them are rare or endangered. There are snow leopards, grey langurs, Himalayan black bears, red foxes, Himalaya weasels, musk deer, coral, thars, varal or blue sheep, flying squirrel, etc. Moreover, 140 species of birds are seen in this park. The main attraction are Himalaya vultures, yellow and red-billed cockles, pheasant, monal pheasant, yellow-nape woodpeckers, blue-throated barbets, and snow pigeons. There are several varieties of reptiles, butterflies, and other insects too. Next paragraph. The valley remains covered with a thick blanket of snow during winter. It is in full bloom during July, August, and September. This is the best time to explore and splendor of this magnificent place. Pushpavati riverbed is spread 6 km in the valley. Its water bifurcates and valley into two parts. Next paragraph. Dewdrops on flower and rhythmic sound of water, rich flora and fauna, and delightful breeze of cool air are waiting for you. Listen to the call of valley and the dream of walking through this valley with your friends.